insert ons gesels met, we are talking to Talita Oosthuizen, a woman who truly embodies what it means to lead with heart. Now, she recently stood on the global stage as the newly crowned Miss South Africa 2026 First Princess. But for Talita Oosthuizen, the crown isn't just for show, it's a platform for purpose. So, Talita, welcome to the program once again.
Thank you, and it's lovely to be back.
So now, Talita, you have now launched a massive campaign to collect 1,000 matric dance dresses to ensure that financial heartbreak doesn't stop young girls across Gauteng from their dream night. That's a lovely initiative. Will you just talk us a little bit through it and how you got to this point?
Thank you. Yes. If you look in South Africa, our current situation, it's in dire straits. The financial strain on households is just increasing, and basic necessities is becoming a problem.
Yeah.
So a matric farewell dress is last on the list of considerations.
Yeah.
So we want to give that girl the opportunity to go to the matric farewell and feel like a princess for one day. Because many girls dream of a matric farewell and a wedding, and that is being taken away from them because of financial strain. And we want to relieve that and give them that special day in their life.
Yeah, and absolutely. I mean, if everything involved with that is just that the prices are so high. I mean, I think I've read somewhere in one of your pages that it can even go up to 30,000 rand per dress. So that's a lot of money.
Yes.
So yeah,
and that's just a dress. Then you think about the shoes, you think about the little clutch bag, hair, makeup, a car that they want to take, and then you think about fuel costs. So it makes it very difficult, and we want to give them a little bit of relief.
Yeah, no, absolutely. So now, Talita, if there's anybody that wants to get involved with this project, how do they go about? How will they make contact and speak to you?
They can contact me on my WhatsApp number for any donations. My number is 082 377 0085. They can contact me if they want to donate. That is for dresses. And if there's anybody that is willing to perhaps sponsor makeup and hair, that will also be great. And then for matrics that would like to apply, they can use that same number. That is 082 377 0085. And they can send me their name, their number, a photo of themselves, and their size, just so that we can allocate the correct dress to them.
Absolutely. So I also heard about a drop-off point at Bush Whisper Expeditions in Benoni. Tell us a bit about that.
Yes. So we will have, they can drop off the dresses at our offices mentioned in Benoni, but they can also do Postnet to Postnet, and the Postnet to me is Postnet Linksfield. Or alternatively, it is possible for us to collect. It's not the advisable option, but the person doesn't have any means of us of delivering the dresses to us, then we can do that. And then we're also arranging 2 days, because on the 16th of June it's Youth Day.
Yes.
And on the 9th of August it's Women's Day. So on those 2 days, we want to give the matric students, the girls, the opportunity to actually come and fit the dresses.
Oh, wow.
So that they feel comfortable when they walk into that wall, and everybody looks at them and they look beautiful, that they walk in there with confidence because they love the dress that they're wearing. So we're going to give them that opportunity, and if there's any small alterations, then we will be able to do that as well, because we are a sewing factory as well. So we're looking forward to those 2 days as well.
Oh, that's amazing. But Talita, on a personal note, maybe you are someone who has just reached such a high peak in pageantry. And what do you hope to instill in these 1,000 young girls through this initiative?
Definitely hope, because I think hope gets taken away so quickly in our country, and they lose their dreams. And I want to give that back to them, a little bit of hope, their dreams, and a sense of worthiness.
Yeah.
They lose that. If you can't experience feeling like a princess for one day in your
Yeah.
life, you lose your self-worth. And I want to give that back to them. And I had the opportunity to become a princess, and I want to pay it forward and give someone else that opportunity to feel like a princess as well.
Yeah, that's absolutely so good. Although it's not about the outward, there is something in wearing something special and beautiful that just makes you feel worthy,
Absolutely.
and that is
Yes.
that is such a gift to give to give someone, and especially someone who has never had the hope of receiving
Yeah.
something like that. No, so it's a beautiful
Yes.
initiative. Talita,
Thank you.
so maybe we can just run through the details one more time. So they can bring the dresses to the Bush Whisper in Benoni by 15th of June, and then how do they reach you? Just your number maybe again.
Yes. So we've got the two deadlines. It's the 15th of June and then the 8th of August.
Okay.
And my number is 082 377 0085, and that's also my WhatsApp number.
That's wonderful. Now, Talita, ever since November, you've been so busy. I've been following you on all your socials and all the work you've been doing, and that's amazing. Is there maybe something you wanna share with our listeners, just from the platform, and yeah, maybe just a bit of encouragement to women?
Yeah, it changed my life. It
Yeah,
absolutely changed my life. It opened up so many opportunities for me. And I grew. I realized how worthy I am, and
yeah,
that I'm not just a survivor or a victim, because when we spoke previously, I told you that
yeah,
I've experienced injustice. So it gave me back that worth, and I also realized that I am a warrior.
yeah,
And I want to tell every lady out there that has experienced, injustice or anything
yeah.
in life that made them lose their worth. It's a choice you've got to make, and just step into your worthiness, look into that mirror and see your beauty. See that light in your eyes. You've got it. It's in you, and let that warrior come out of you.
That's amazing. And I believe these 1,000 dresses are going to be a spark that's going to spark that in girls. And they're going to look back one day and say, that lady did this for me, and this is what it's meant to me. So I just want to bless this whole project, and I'm so excited
Thank you.
to see what's going to happen with it. So, yeah, thank you so much
Thank
for
you. I
your
truly
time.
hope so.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Talita, for your time and inspiration you are. And we'll definitely talk again soon after.
Thank you, and thank you again for the opportunity.